Meet Site Sleep and Wake Up feature. A simple, powerful way to pause any WordPress site on demand, directly from your FlyWP dashboard. With just one click, you can put a site to sleep and bring it back online just as easily. To use it, head to your FlyWP dashboard, select the site you want, and click Manage. There, you'll see the Sleep Site option. Click it to put the site to sleep. You can also put your site to sleep by clicking the Action menu, then selecting Sleep Site. While asleep, no PHP will be executed, WordPress activity is completely paused, and the dashboard will clearly show the site is in sleeping mode. Sleeping sites don't use CPU or memory, which means you only pay for active compute time, server resources are freed up, and performance improves for your active sites. It's perfect for staging sites, development environments, archived or low-traffic projects. And when you're ready to bring the site back, just click Wake Site, and it comes back online instantly. Want more details? Check out our documentation to learn how site sleep can save you time, money, and server load effortlessly.